Welcome to Drama Update. In this video, I am going to talk about Korean dramas based on webtoons. A lot of dramas based on webtoon is going to air in 2020. The first drama is Itaewon Classes. It tells the story of ex-convict Park Seon-ri, whose life has been turned upside down after he gets expelled from school for punching a bully. His father is killed in an accident. Following his father's step, he opened a restaurant Danbum in Itaewon and along with his manager and staff, strive towards success and reaching greater heights. The drama aired on channel JTBC on 31st January. The next drama is Memorist. It tells the story of Dong Bak when he was a high school student. He suddenly gained a natural power. Whenever he touches somebody, he can read the person's memory. Dong Bak reveals his memory reading ability to the people and he becomes a detective. He is gung-ho to catch as many criminals as possible. He encounters a mysterious serial murder case. This drama is airing since 11 March on TVN. The next drama is Welcome or Meow the Secret Boy. It tells the story of a woman in her mid-20s and works for a graphic design company. She dreams of becoming a web comic artist and she is a social person. Sola happens to take home a cat, Hongjo. Sola is unaware of that Hongjo is not an ordinary cat. He has ability to transform into human being. Living with the cat Hongjo, Sola gets involved in an unexpected case. This drama is airing since 25th March on KBS. The next drama is Rugal. The action sci-fi webtoon Rugal tells the story of a special organization called Rugal which brings together human weapons who earn special ability through bioengineering technology fighting against the largest terrorist group of ROK named Argus. This drama is airing since 11 March on TVN. The next drama is How to Buy a Friend. It tells the story of Dong Hyuk, a highly prized high school fighter. After his girlfriend's sudden suicide, plagued by trauma, he is too quick to fight if someone even mentions her name, landing him juvenile detention. After his release, he returns to school where he comes across a poem written by Chang Hong, particularly average student who has knack of for writing. Eventually, Dong Hyuk discovers a clue about his girlfriend's death and approaches Chang Hong to help him and investigate. In exchange, he will serve Chang Hong's personal bodyguard. This contractual relationship entangles the both in a series of dramatic events as they are trying to uncover the truth behind the suicide. This drama is aired on 6th April on KBS. The next drama is Girls' World. It tells the story of four girl high school friends and their struggle, disappointments, and precious memories as they grow together, learning to become true friends for one another. The drama is airing since 22 April on TVN The Line. The next drama is Dinner Mate or Would You Like to Have a Dinner Together? It tells the story of a man and woman wait in the line at the restaurant to eat. They are mistaken for a couple and end up having a dinner together. After their first unexpected meeting, they meet and have dinner together weekly. They get to know each other through their dinners. This drama will air on 4 May on MBC. The next drama is Mystic Pop-Up Bar. It is based on popular webtoon of the same name and tells the story of mysterious Pojang Macha runs by a prickly woman and innocent part-timer who visit customers in their dreams to help resolve their problems. This drama will air on 20 May on JTBC. The next drama is Backstreet Rookie. The romantic comedy webtoon Backstreet Rookie is also called Convenience Store Set Buell is announced to adapted into drama. It tells the story of romance between a four-dimensional innocent femme fatale part-timer and handsome sloppy manager. This drama is aired in June on SBS. The next drama is Sweet Home. It is a popular thriller horror webtoon. It tells the story of high school student who is loner hurt by a school bully. He lost his family and is forced to leave his home. In the outside world, he will try to stop people from becoming monsters. The story is emerging from persistent view of society. The drama will air on Netflix in June. The next drama is The Girl and Boy Coming Out of Manga. It tells the story of fictional male character from a romance comic book who jumps out of two-dimensional space into real life. One day, Chun Nam-wook tears through the page of comic book and appears in front of the story's female lead Han Sunyo, right out of the page of the fictional comic book. Chun Nam-wook may be heartthrob, but once he opens his mouth, he can't help but make over-cringly emotional comments at every turn. This drama will air in June. The next drama is Amanja. Amanja is based on webtoon by Kim Boye-tang and tells the story of 26-year-old individual who is diagnosed with terminal cancer. Lee Sol and Jisoo has been cast as the lead characters. This drama will air on 30 June. The next drama is True Beauty. It tells the story of high school girl rises to pretty girl fame in her school after she masters the art of makeup via YouTube. This drama is confirmed for second half of 2020. The next drama is Love Alarm Season 2. This drama will be continuation of Love Alarm Season 1. Love Alarm tells the story of three young people who came of age when the world-changing app called Love Alarm is released. The app, if turned on, allows users to know who within 10-meter radius has romantic feeling for them. Because of the app is synced with the user's heart, there is no way to lie, which caused some trouble when two childhood friends Sunho and his housekeeper son Ha-young both fall for the same girl. This drama will air on second half of 2020. The next drama is Oh Man Sung and Prejudice. It tells the story of two people who face misunderstanding and prejudice all the time. Ji Hyun Woo will play Oh Man Sung, a character who wants to live life cut off from the world after facing sadness and shock of losing his girlfriend. Eventually, Noji Yonda Young approaches him and two begin new love. This drama is confirmed for second half of 2020. The next drama is Model Taxi. It tells the story of model taxi who takes revenge for their passenger. This drama will air in second half of 2020. The next drama is In Your Dreams. The fantasy romance webtoon In Your Dreams tells the story of Nam Jo Soo who is running coffee shop. One day he witnessed the car accident of Yoon Nam Hee, for who he has been one-sided love. To save her from the coma, he decided to join the yet to be verified medical project called Yoon In Your Dreams. This drama is confirmed for second half of 2020. The next drama is Crime Puzzle. It tells the story where a criminal psychologist is sent to prison for murdering a political candidate, and a criminal profiler who loses his father to the murderer is conducting interviews with the murderer for a case that occurs within the prison. This drama is confirmed for second half of 2020. The next drama is Art of Girls. Art of Girls is about a writer who dreams of the world where men and women are equal. It speaks for the women in Korea who have experienced uncomfortable situation in at least once in their life. This drama is yet unconfirmed for 2020. The next drama is Born in 1985. It is a romantic story of woman webtoon artist named Ji Won meeting her first love Seungyo in meeting with her publisher. The story of their friends unfolds at the same time, showing them overcoming their 20s and becoming just a little bit smarter, more than cunning. This drama is also unconfirmed for 2020. The next drama is Something About Us. It is a webtoon dealing with men and women in their 20s worrying about love and friendship. The drama was announced to be produced in 2018, but nothing much has changed since then, and it is not confirmed yet for 2020. So, which webtoon drama are you waiting for? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe my channel.